Hey y'all, welcome back to the cabin. And this is our December giveaway video. Y'all stay tuned. Well, this is our December giveaway video where we give away a $100 Tractor Supply gift card. And but before I talk about that, I got a couple of things I want to talk about that's happened around here in the last few days. Where we at? We hadn't made a video here very recently, so I'm gonna just give you a little update. Last couple of nights we've had some very unseasonable weather for this part of the country. It's dropped down. Usually it's kind of cool around here this time of year, but not cold, downright cold. And we got down into the mid to low 20s. We wasn't prepared for that. Our raised beds didn't stand for that. We had got a few pickings off of our turnips and had already enjoyed some of those, but and even our rutabagas. We had tried some of the rutabaga tops, and they turned out pretty good. But I was really looking forward to those roots. But the cold got them, got the turnips, got the rutabagas, got the mustards. They had just come up. They hadn't been up very long. Got them. And our peas. We had got a couple of pickings off the peas, but we still had some more to go, or we was anticipating some more. But we lost those. And our carrots. We had 4 tomato plants. Tomato plants don't do too good this time of year, so they really didn't stand a chance. We lost those. And but I say we lost them. Actually, we didn't lose them because we had already gathered off of most everything. Hadn't off the tomato plants yet, but everything that we hadn't got was just what we anticipated. So, I mean, God has blessed us so much with what we've already had, till if we didn't get another thing, we still come out good. But we can go now and take everything out of the raised beds and get them prepared for this spring. I'm really looking forward to that. The radishes, I think's okay. We're going to go out there and not tonight. It's not going to freeze tonight. It's not going to freeze tomorrow night. But then the next 2 nights, it drops back down in the mid-20s. So I'm going to go out there and get them radishes out, and maybe we'll save them. And then, like I said, we'll just start over this spring and get after it. Another thing I wanted to mention was our chickens. We done a video here a month or so ago on a new breed of chicken that we had got. And they're fantastic chickens, and we didn't lose one of them, and they're good-natured. We really enjoyed them, but there's one problem with them. They're not laying eggs, and it's time. Now, I know this time of year they don't lay a lot, but it's time for them to start putting out some eggs, and there's been nothing, no sign of anything. So we're going to bump the protein up on the feed. Now, we had that problem one time a long time ago, and somebody had told us to up the protein in their feed, and we've done that. We're gonna do that. Keep them shut up at where they eating that feed and see if that helps them. Because we're gonna have to do something. We're gonna have to have some eggs or some fried chicken one. So we'll let y'all know how that works and how that works out. I went out there. I had mentioned in another video earlier where we had dished up the row garden out there, and to put it to bed for the wintertime. And then I had mentioned that I would go back out there in January and hit it again to expose everything that's in there to the elements, all the seeds and weeds and all that, and let them get some of that freezing cold temperature. Well, when it turned freezing now, I went back out there yesterday and broke it up again, so maybe that'll help that out a little bit, and we'll just go from there. But now to get to the giveaway, we have had, I think, we had our one big giveaway that we done to start with, and then we had one for September, October, November, and this is December. That was 4 of them. And this is the last one for this month. And I had tried to slip little things in for you to find and ask questions, and I mean, y'all tore that up. But I wasn't tricking anybody but myself. Y'all hit a home run on that. So the last one that we done, I mean, we just had so many right answers to, Jackie said, just take all the names and put them in a hat and we'll draw for it. So that's what we're going to do this time. What I want y'all to do is to comment on this video, and I want you to comment about the videos. I want you to tell us what you like, what you don't like, what you would like to see, what you'd not like to see. Let us know where we're at, what we need to do, and we'll take everybody that comments on that, put the names in the hat and draw it, and we'll get us a winner that way. And get that done. Now, we're going to have another set of giveaways later on, once we reach a certain goal that we're shooting for. When we reach that, then we'll start the giveaways again. But I want you to comment in here and let us know what you like, what you don't like, and let's get this done, and y'all win that $100 gift card. And we'll, in a couple more days, Jackie's going to put out a video. I'm not real sure what it is. I think it's going to be on rendering beeswax. I'm not sure. But at the end of that video, then we'll do the drawing for the giveaway. That way we can get it done, get us a winner, and get that out in the mail so you can get it as early as you can. And sometimes the mail's pretty quick, and sometimes it takes a little time. So we'll get that done and get it taken care of and try to fix y'all up on that, all right? And that's going to about wind it up for this one. But y'all get your comments down and let us know what you think, and we'll do that. And don't ever forget that your Heavenly Father and His Son loves you. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye.